Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, red date nourishes qi and blood, strengthens the spleen and stomach. Steamed buns are a traditional staple food for Chinese people. Adding red dates to flour makes red date steamed buns a perfect breakfast food. Let's get started. Make the dough first. Prepare 500 grams of all-purpose flour, add half a teaspoon yeast, then add 260 milliliters of water. Add slowly, stir with chopsticks while adding. Finally knead them into dough by hands. Cover with plastic wrap, let it rise. If the temperature is low in winter, it will take longer to ferment. Or you can put a basin of hot water under the dough to promote fermentation. While the dough is fermenting, prepare 25 red dates, about 80 grams, put them into a steamer, steam for 20 minutes after the water boils. Turn off the heat. Cool them to room temperature. And steam again. Do not forget to add water during the steaming process, because water will become less due to evaporation. Steam 3 times in total, make them softer and darker in color. At this time, the red date core can be easily removed. Take out all the red date cores, leaving only the red date flesh. After the dough is fermented, add the red dates flesh to the dough. Knead it with your hands until the red dates and dough are fully mixed. Divide it into 8 parts. Take one part, knead it for a while to make it into a ball. Just like this. Make total of 8 steamed buns, place them in the steamer. Cover with the lid, and rest for 10 minutes for secondary fermentation. Turn on the heat, steam for 20 minutes after the water boils. Then turn off the heat. Let the steamed buns cool for 5 minutes before opening the lid. Red date steamed buns taste sweet and are suitable for breakfast, pairing with congee. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.